Hey, if you cannot recharge your JBL Xtreme 4, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to check if the cable that you are using is actually working. So what I mean, if you actually plug it into your speaker and it doesn't actually charge your speaker, just simply check if the same cable actually works, for example, with your phone, with your tablet, or any other device, like for example, with your earbuds. If the cable works, definitely there's issue with the charging port. So what you have to do is to simply take a look inside. There we go. As you can see, this is actually the port of our speaker, and you will have to prepare the thin item. In my case, I'm using this item to open the slots in the phones, but it's not recommended because it's actually the metal part. So it's recommended to input something plastic here. So we are doing this on your own risk, and you will have to try to remove all the mess that is actually inside. So try to move it to the left side for the both parts, like this. Just try to remove every dust, every stuff from your USB-C port. So it could even take like few minutes. Then you can try to start from this second part and also gently get rid of it. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine. I don't have here any dust or other mess. But if you actually have something here, just try to remove it and then just simply try to use the cable and plug it back. If it doesn't work, I will highly recommend you to send this speaker into the warranty, or if you are out of the warranty, I'll try to send it to some professional repair service, so they will definitely take care of your speaker and replace the USB-C port. But you can try these two simple methods in your house. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.